Sallu alal Habib Sallallahu Ta'ala ala Muhammad. Dawat Islami's publisher Maktabatul Madina's published book Laws of Salah, consisting of 302 pages, says on page number 245 with reference of Sunan Ibn Majah, the Prophet of mankind, the peace of our heart and mind, the most generous and kind, Sallallahu Ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam said, anyone who did Qiyam at the night of Eids, Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Azha in order to earn sawab, his heart will not die on the day when hearts of the people will die. Sallu ala al-Habib Sallallahu Ta'ala ala Muhammad.
सल्लू अलल हबीब सल्लल्लाहु तआला अला मुहम्मद। मुझे अपनी और सारी दुनिया के लोगों की इस्लाह की कोशिश करनी है।